God! Snow squall warning! What the flip?
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Catherine to Warren, moving at 25 miles per hour.
Is that possible?
Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Warren, Cortland, Kinsman, Vienna Center, Vienna, Mecca, Johnston, Orangeville, Yankee Lake, Howland Center, and Brookfield Center. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.